lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. In your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna
Hello and good morning everyone. Today I'm going to share you my daily workout routine. So here we go. As you can see that I'm at the cardio block now doing warm up and using some cardio exercises equipments. This is one of the effective 15 to 20 minutes workout. The process is keep breathing into the nose and out to the mouth. Do warm up fastly and slowly go increasing resistance of the bike, which makes you harder and feel something on your feet. It helps to lose belly fat slowly. Rest your arms each 15 to 30 seconds and drink water. Start holding your arms on bike. Do this until 15 to 20 minutes for reducing your belly fat daily. This is a resistance band. It activates multiple muscles, boosts mobility and reduces back pain. Now I'm going to use abs twister for this. Sit down with both feet on the discs with bending knees and rotate hips. This twister helps the flexibility and mobility of the waist. While using waist twister, stand straight body on twister and move your lower body parts. These disc exercises are beneficial for boosting ab strength, muscle tone and balance. Treadmill is a faster way of 20 minutes workout to burn fat. You can adjust speed and more from here. It also helps for stretching whole body muscles and burn calories. Do this taking rest after a minute when needed. You can run, walk incline, speed low and increase as needed through this machine. Cardio exercises are done before lifting and heavy equipments for at least 10 minutes. Elliptical cross trainer machine. Do a quick 5 to 10 minute warm up. Start slow and gradually increase your speed and pace. If we talk about benefits of this machine, it helps to burn calories and fat. It is effective to those who have joint issues and injuries. Elliptical trainer can be a cool set for making your back muscles stronger. If you're using high resistance, your muscles will work harder to match that force that will increase your strength. Now here we are coming in the another section of heavy weightlifting exercises, and we do use heavy equipments here. Here you can see the different sizes of dumbbells in the order. These dumbbell exercises stimulates muscles growth and activate number of different muscles. Before doing heavy equipments exercises, we do warm up to make our body ready to lift heavy loads. Let's begin. Make your both legs parallel horizontally with some gap. Face each hand and extend your arms in front of you. Gently rotate the hand clockwise motion 10 times and then reverse. Stand in a comfortable position, keeping your spine erect. Lift up both hands horizontally with fist and open up again. Both hands put downwards. Then raise your both hands upward above the head with both legs erect, standing on toes. Hold on for a second, then be comfortable in back position. Repeat this process for 10 minutes. Place your both legs perpendicular to each other like this. Place your front leg perpendicular to the floor, pointing toes forward. While inhaling, step forward with one leg and lower your body and make a 90-degree bend with the knee placed forward, making sure it doesn't go beyond your toe. Keep the back leg straight, then repeat the same process with left leg forward and right leg back. Do this for each leg counting 10 times. Now we are going to do 15 minutes dumbbell workouts. If you are beginners, start with lower dumbbell loads. I am using 2.5 kg weight Firstly, raise your both shoulders from sidewise perpendicular to the body and raise down slowly towards thigh. It needs more strength to lift dumbbell. Repeat this counting for 15, 12 and 6 times and take a 15-second rest after each full count. Let's go for a front raise. Bring the weights in front of you, lifting up to the shoulder height and then lift down to the side thigh. Repeat this counting 15, 12 and 6 times by taking 15-second rest after each full count. Now let's go for a little higher weights. I'm using 10 kg weight plates. It targets the corner of waist part. Let's begin the exercise. Get to the position, bend the right shoulder and upper body towards down and raise the body straight, lifting shoulder up. Repeat the process counting 15, 12 and 6 times by taking 15-second rest after each full count. After 15-second rest, bend over, row and approach towards the shoulder up, looking straight forward. This is another day vlog coming up with higher weights because I have gained some more strength. Coming up with 10 kg weight plates, rocking on both sides, targeting both sides straps. Repeat this as 15, 12, 6 counts, taking a 15-second break. Next leg workout, walking lunges. It is not an easy workout, but it is sure is effective to work on the entire leg muscles, your core and also hip flexors. Take a large step forward with one leg and lower your body towards the floor. Both legs should be bent at 90-degree angle at the bottom of the lunge as you exhale. Drive through the heel of your front foot to raise yourself back up and immediately take a wide step forward with the back leg. It is very important to make sure that you engage your core throughout the exercise to keep your back straight, chest open and look forward.
I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness.
Dumbbell curls exercises for biceps. I'm not interested on biceps, so yeah. Today my trainer is going to introduce me with different muscle exercises, so let's begin with that. This is leg press machine. If you are a beginner, don't use too much weight. Go from very low, like I am using only 5 kg on both sides. You always go shoulder width and make sure your toes are pointing out towards your shoulder. Bend your knees pointing to the shoulder very slow and push to your heels, squeeze but don't lock your knees. When you are done, just push with locking your knees and then you hang it. These are the fixed barbells. They usually start from about 10 kg and they got to around 40 kg. Here I am using 10 kg weight barbell for my lower body workout. Firstly, you have to stock this barbell onto your trap in medium at the comfort zone. Bring your one foot forward and the other one back at the same time. While inhaling, step forward with one leg and lower your body and make a 90-degree bend with the knee placed forward, making sure it doesn't go beyond your toe. Keep the back leg straight, then repeat the same process with left leg forward and right leg back. These exercises are good for cardio and they improve athletic performance. Here we go to another exercise, leg pull down exercise. For this, you can set your lower weight, then you can hold a bar on a wide grip, chest upwards, back slightly arched and feet firmly on the ground. As you exhale, pull the bar down towards your chest, squeeze your shoulder blades together for one count. Feel the contraction on your lats. Inhale and slowly release the bar back to starting position. Arms fully extended and lats are fully stretched and repeat. Here is my trainer guiding me best practice for arm pull downs. Head low, hip back, slightly inner your back spine, step backward and look forward. Grab the bar with your palms facing down while keeping the arms straight. Pull the bar down by contracting the lat muscles until your hands are close to your thighs. Still keeping the arms straight, slowly release to the starting position and repeat. This is very effective workout to hit the lats. Here you can adjust the knot as per your workout ideas. As you can see, he is focusing on chest, holding both hands straight on holding areas, pulling from back to front. You can put this pin as per your weight that you are comfortable with. If you are new to muscling, I will recommend to practice with lighter weights, and once you perform the exercise to the proper form, 12 to 15 times completely, then increase the weight. Now I am going to put the pin to the lower weight and adjust the knot towards front. Once you make sure it's done properly after adjusting seat, you can start the exercise. First you straight your hands, pulling forward, holding tight, slightly push back, straight perpendicular to the floor, and slowly release forward and repeat. You can feel the contractions towards back shoulder blade. While using chest press machine, keep your shoulder nice and tight. Elbow at 45-degree angle, push forward and slowly return to the starting position and repeat this. The chest press is one of the best chest exercise for building upper body strength. Leg extension machine. Grab your both hands on side levers, lift your leg up, pointing toes up side. Feel the contraction in quadricep muscles of your knees, then come back and again squeeze. Repeat this. This exercise helps to strengthen the ligament around the knee joints, also helps to prevent leg injury. Do not follow wrong way to exercise this, it may cause knee injury. Dumbbell incline bench press. Firstly, adjust the bench, get up your dumbbells, keep them up laying down on the bench. Bring your arms up, push straight up, putting the pressure on your shoulder, or you can bring the chest out and bring the dumbbells down over the low part of the chest at 90-degree angle to the elbow and breathe out on the way up. Repeat and it's done. Now here you can see he's ready for a bench press exercise. Dumbbells are usually advantageous over barbells because they allow for full range of motion and help strengthen our muscles surrounding area. Go underneath of barbells, grab the barbells, put your hand on the end, lift up, and as you come down, keep your elbows under your wrist and press back up. While doing this exercise, try to use shoulder back for movement, due to which your chest gets involved but not your shoulder. Here I'm using 10 kilo plate for leg muscles workout, weight plate squat. This exercise targets your glutes, hamstring, inner thigh and quads. Position yourself right in the center, holding weight plate with both legs standing on the bar. As you inhale, bend your knees to lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor in a slow and controlled manner. Your back should be flat, chest open, your knees should not go over your toes, with your butt pushed back slightly. Exhale, push up through the heels to go back to the starting position. Your upper body should remain stationary with movements coming only from your legs. Next leg muscles workout is hack squat. Stand on the platform with your back on the back rest and the shoulder rest right on top of your shoulder, placed on your feet to where it is most comfortable. Unlock the machine, press the two handles on either side of the shoulder rest towards your face. From here you can begin the exercise. Inhale as you go down into the squat and exhale as you return back to the starting position. Repeat it. This machine also targets your quads, glutes and hamstring. Another bicep workout machine is bicep curls. Here you can see it targets only on biceps. I am not interested for biceps, so I'm not using it more. Let's go for push-ups. Last one, and very hard for me to do this exercise, really. I'm doing this as a fun. Hope you guys like my fitness vlog. If you want to stay healthy longer and be fit, just do regular workout, okay? And remember, no pain, no gain. Stay fit, stay young, stay happy, and live healthy life. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Keep loving, keep smiling. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can